Hello everyone! What's up with Doc Nona? I am here at my mother's place because it's Wednesday and I am supposed to cut her hair. But it just so happened, hindi matutuloy yung pagputol ng buhok niya. So, i-resched natin. Even then, dahil ang hair niya medyo mahaba na at makapal na, kaya gusto ko siyang i-interview.
Nakatulong tumubo ang buhok ko dito sa may puyo. Kasi dati, pag naliligo ako at nagsashampoo, ito lang ang nagagamit ko. Okay na. After that, I have to resort to this bigger tooth comb kasi kumapal na ng buhok ko. Every month, kailangan akong magpagupit kasi mabilis tumubo ang buhok ko sa paggamit ng shampoo. I recommend it highly to everybody for thicker hair and faster growth of hair. Thank you. Kunan mo yung suklay na, yan tsaka yung suklay manipis kasi yan ang proof ko na dati yun.
Thank you, Mamu!
Okay, you're welcome.
Hi, I'd like to add up na my mom, after 8 months, ito na ang outcome ng hair niya. At maganda naman ang result. Every week nga, mahaba na yung buhok niya. Yung puyo niya, dati walang-wala na yan. So, as you can see, yung picture before, pinapakita ko yung kalbo na yung kanyang puyo. As of now, actually nga, every month ko na siya ginugupitan eh. Ngayon lang na-postpone kasi busy nga. Maraming ginagawa. So, I'd just like to show you, gaya na sabi ng mom ko, she used to make use of the small comb, yung small, thin, ano ba yun, yung closed teeth ang suklay. Pero this time, yung wide comb na kasi hindi na nga umuubra yung small comb sa kanya, which means makapal na yung hair niya for her, no? Kasi talagang ang strands ng hair niya is straight and thin. So, before, talagang kitang-kita yung scalp. So, may malaki na improvement, pati yung puyo niya. As you can see, ayan, no?